Are you tired of the inefficiency of manual traffic inspection? The Reebot UniDrone E900 is designed to help you solve this problem. Whether it's highway inspection, road maintenance, public safety patrols, traffic law enforcement, or emergency dispatching, the UniDrone E900 significantly boosts your operational efficiency. Traditional manual highway inspection comes with high safety risks. Inspectors have to drive on the highway, where it's dangerous and often impossible to stop. It's also difficult to adjust the police deployments in real time based on the traffic flow and the toll stations. And when accidents happen, quick response and evidence collection can be challenging. Manual inspections also suffer from limited visibility, making it easy to miss important things like cracks, surface damage, slope instability, or erosion around bridge foundations, potentially missing the best time for repairs. UniDrone E900 solves these issues by enabling high-altitude inspections without occupying lines. It uses wide-angle and zoom cameras to detect road risks and traffic violations, calculate traffic flow, and support rapid deployment of police or maintenance teams. In case of accidents, it can respond immediately, hover over the scene, use a loudspeaker to claim the situation.
Please move to a safe area.
And take photos for documentation. When paired with an infrared camera, it also supports thermal imaging and EOIR dual display, allowing for quicker and more accurate identification of road hazard. In public safety inspection, long roads and complex environments makes the job difficult and exhausting. Problems like construction sea dust and illegal buildings are often scarred across urban areas, increasing workload and reducing efficiency. UniDrone E900 can patrol from the air, quickly identify violations, fly to seat, take photos, and use a loudspeaker for one-seat communication. It is equipped with soothe AI tracking tool, which supports object recognition, including people, cars, and boats. One of its standout features is a smart fly follow. It can track and follow a vehicle at the same speed while keeping a safe distance, advancing in sync instead of just following. With UniGCS, users can plan routes in advanced and smart daily inspections with just one click. The drone will carry out the mission automatically, reducing manual effort and improving consistency. Traffic law enforcement is another major challenge. Illegal activities often happen in hidden or hard-to-reach areas, and collecting evidence can be difficult. The UniDrone E900 can conduct aerial surveillance without its powerful zoom camera, hover to collect photo or video evidence, and communicate through a loudspeaker.
Taking photos. Please stop the illegal activities.
It supports a 35-kilometer transmission range and real-time data transfer, allowing officers to act quickly and confidently, even from a distance. During rush hours, minor accidents often lead to heavy congestion, and it's hard for law enforcement to reach the scene in time. UniDrone E900 can fly there quickly, collect real-time information, take photos, and communicate with drivers through a loudspeaker.
Please move to a safe area.
It helps guide traffic, prevent escalation, and supports real-time coordination from the command center. With AI tracking, high efficiency, and rapid response capabilities, the Reebot UniDrone E900 helps modernize traffic management and improve inspection workflows, making roads safer and smarter for everyone.